The seaside, had a little tsunami, everything, boat them get lick up and broke up. Things get mashed up. Look how far the boat them reach over there, so. Yeah? Yeah, man. Wow. So it go. No normal, brother. Wanna make it through?
Yeah.
Wow. Storm come through. See how the wave hit through there. King! Jaja. Storm cometh. Up to the mountains we shall go. You ready? Up to the mountains. See there, sometimes you're up on seaside, sometimes you're up on high. Don't worry and don't ask me why. Birds fly. I saw it happen, man. Look how the thing them push up. Jaja.
Jaja. Alright, don't get no queen. Push off and go see. When there? What? There. I said, what the first step here, lady? I said, the boy, but woman, empress at least. Some man. They alone, me not give no. Yeah, I don't get no man, but I'm going to alone, I get no. Come in, squad. Come in, let's go down. What? No!
Gone, I see.
Yes! Come fuck, lad! Let us be going. Right, incident. Alright. Wow. I'm going to put that on my spot now. Right on the place. Okay. You want more here? One more time.
You're not even trained me for this.
Perfection.
This is Jamaica, brother. This is the whole system.
Oh, check! Oh! And the boat that you know, sir, quite for boat.
See, my shoulders are too big. This is what I want to do every day.
You got a lot of energy there, Mr. Pottinger.
Show me, you know, I was trying to do the road club.
Yeah,
man. Love it, Mom Square.
I do make it, brother.
Love it. You know, so the lady said she'll work up the funds for you.
No. Just try to show the man how to buy the boat. This was a joke thing. 5 hours farm, I said we go buy the boat, you know. I'll cost the boat, you know, and go behind the back. I'll do all this production.
Okay. Listen up. Positive. 2024. So you are the leader for push the thing on. Them depend on you. When Without your voice, them can't.
Everything them back one.
Alright. Alright, we're going to fix it.
No, no, do it.
Alright.
You can farm a thing. You have platform there. You can use a platform there, farm a thing, do a stage. You can pull up when you're ready. Buy some lumber, build a stage. You have platform. You have an artist. You can give a fundamental.
No,
artist.
bro, it's the boat first.
Boat at least, man. My life, listen to this. Life this. We can do this.
Focus on the boat. I want to see you take us out fishing first.
Okay, alright.
Let's catch a fish.
Me casa.
Let's do that.
Me casa. You casa.
When life changes, you gotta go with the flow. You see? The one that came up. Okay. Captain Cruz.
Yeah. Yeah, watch that.
Wow, food.
That's it.
Lots of food. Oh. That is beautiful piece of yam. You dug it or Captain Jack?
Captain Jack. Mom squad there, I got good food, you know. And since getting boat, so we're gonna do this, man. We're up on the seaside now. Come from Captain Jack. So the seaside must have put down over there, so. And that boat they have fluid too. So we're gonna work on getting that. So I'll make moves. Janet X, Jackie. So, well, go on, rooster. You have your hen. A rooster and the hen. You good? Yeah. People, see it there. The sea spit out. We give it. The whole earth has spit out. A clean up. So people watching themselves, you know. The world, the earth I go give back everything we I get. The storm came. I hope you see it. Watch what you're doing. Some things in life, nastiness, you mustn't do it. Keep everything nice and beautiful. And you must cut back on the meat. Lose the cow and choose the pop chow. Say yo. Say my move. Bomb squad, what is?
Beer, what's back on board? You know that there's some man. It's not like that, brother. Most important more than that, dude. Leave that alone, you.
Don't get trapped already.
Come in. Watch that, man. Left that alone, man. Wow, the boat have come a long time.
Come, please.